Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so you waste no time. Enter Berry Avenue immediately, make sure your client is updated, and you have the required 500 plus currency or specific trade item. Once in, pick a populated public server. Private servers may block NPC trades. You must enable avatar editing and mesh support in settings so the game recognizes the face asset. Doing this first prevents errors later and lets you focus on the interaction that unlocks the mom mesh face. Once done, head west from spawn toward the bakery and locate the mom NPC by the backbench. You should interact and immediately choose the family quest branch. This branch contains the only exchange path that yields the mesh face. Complete the dialogue and accept the exchange task so the NPC registers your intent. Then deliver the specified item or 500 plus currency. Make sure you watch for the confirmation prompt. If you miss it, the trade won't finalize and you'll need to repeat the dialogue. After the trade finishes, open your inventory and locate the mom mesh face under Faces or Meshes. Click Equip to apply it. If it does not appear, relog immediately and toggle mesh support in settings because the client sometimes delays asset visibility. Also check inventory filters and recent purchase pages so you didn't miss the item. If problems persist, clear your local cache and rejoin the server before contacting support. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues and saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.